If you are a college student, you might be searching for ways to make money between classes. However, the pressure of getting good grades may have you worried that you don't have enough time to earn extra cash. Thanks to the gig economy, there are many ways to make money in college without missing class or sacrificing your social life. You can easily take on a side hustle to defray the cost of tuition and have more spending money. Welcome back to another episode of It Must Be College. No matter if you're looking for tips as you're about to go to college for the first time or a 7th-year senior wanting to learn some new tips and tricks, we have the best videos to help you make the most of your education and time at college. Get involved and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our newest uploads. Let's get started with today's episode. 1. Deliver meals. Do you have a car, bike, motorcycle, or scooter? If so, you can make money as a delivery driver. DoorDash is an on-demand delivery service that allows you to deliver restaurant meals. The company says you can get paid $23 per hour while on a delivery. 2. Grocery shopping. On-demand grocery shopping is one of the top high-paying jobs for college students. InstaCart Shopper is a leader in the space. People order groceries with InstaCart. Then, as an InstaCart shopper, you purchase and deliver them. Like DoorDash, you can work on your own schedule. This service is available nationwide and claims drivers can earn $20 per hour. 3. Take surveys. You won't get rich with surveys, but a site like Survey Junkie is a good way to add a little extra spending money to your wallet if you are a broke college student. This platform is easy to use, and you only need a $10 balance to redeem earnings. If you're active enough, it's possible to earn several $100s each month. 4. Walk dogs. Walking or boarding dogs is one of the best side hustles for college students who love animals. An app like Rover lets you connect with pet owners who need help. The site claims active contractors can earn up to $1,000 per month. 5. Do small tasks online. If you're like most college students, you spend a lot of time online. You can monetize that time through an app like SwagBucks. The app pays you to do things like watch videos and use their search engine. You won't make a ton of cash, but it's a simple way to earn extra spending money. 6. Freelance writing. Companies and small businesses always need new content. If you enjoy writing, you can work your way up to earning $100, $200, or more per article. Sites like ProBlogger and freelance writing gigs are a terrific way to locate writing jobs. 7. Rent out your car. Renting your car is an easy way to earn money in college. HyreCar is a platform that matches you up with renters looking for a car. The site says the average person earns $720 a month renting out their car. If your car sits unused a lot, this is a fantastic way to earn passive income. 8. Babysitting. Babysitting is a classic way to make extra money. If you don't mind giving up a few evenings each week, you can easily earn $15 or more per hour. Referrals are the name of the game when it comes to getting more babysitting gigs. Care.com is a helpful site that lets you create a profile, find jobs, and get referrals. 9. Start a blog. Blogging is a popular side hustle idea and one of the best ways for college students to make money. From display to affiliate advertising, there are many ways to make money with a blog. Bluehost is a fantastic resource to launch your site. They install your site, provide 24/7 support, and give you a free domain name for just $2.95 a month. 10. Become a resident assistant. If you live on campus and don't mind overseeing operations, being a resident assistant, RA, is a fun job. You don't always receive payment as an RA, but you often get your dorm room and meals for free. Some schools will pay a small stipend in addition to those perks. 11. Become a virtual assistant. Do you like to work behind the scenes by managing administrative tasks like email or scheduling appointments? If so, you can support a small business as a virtual assistant, VA. You don't need specialized skills to do this job, but they do help. It's possible to earn $15 or more per hour in this role. Additionally, the hours are flexible. 12. Graphic design work. If you like to design graphics, this is one of the best jobs for college students. You can work in your free time and design anything from logos to marketing materials and more. Sites like 99 Designs are a fantastic way to earn cash selling your designs. 13. Do odd jobs around town. Students who enjoy working with their hands can make good money helping people around town. TaskRabbit is an awesome resource that connects you with people who need help with various jobs, from yard work to mounting a TV and more. You set your own rates and work when you want. 14. Sell your textbooks. How much do you spend on textbooks for your classes? The average college student spends $1,200 per year on textbooks. If you take good care of your textbooks, you can try to sell them on Bookscouter to get some of your money back. The Amazon trade-in page is a good resource to determine pricing on your old textbooks to ensure you're selling at market price. 15. Sell your notes. Do you take very detailed notes? You can sell your notes to help other students and make money in the process. Stuvia is a site that allows you to sell your notes. You retain ownership of the notes and you can set your own price for them. Stuvia does all the marketing for you. This means that all you need to do is upload your notes, set a fair price, and get paid when somebody buys them. 16. House sit. House sitting is an easy way to make money on the side, especially in college. As a house sitter, you get paid to stay in someone's home while they travel. Care.com is a good resource to find gigs. Expect to earn $25 plus per evening when you watch the home. 17. Donate plasma. Donating plasma for money may not sound fun, but you can easily make several $100s per month doing it. Each plasma center has its own requirements and payment amounts. However, if you're in a pinch, this can be a good way to make extra money on the side. 18. Sell t-shirt designs. Similar to graphic design, you can design and sell t-shirt with minimal effort. You don't store the shirts. Instead, you simply create the design and use a platform like Teespring to produce and market the products. These sites do all the back-end work for you, so you only deal with designing. 19. Proofread. From fellow students to companies, everyone wants good content. A proofreader examines content to ensure everything is grammatically correct and there are no misspellings. You can demand $20 an hour as a proofreader. Use social media to market your services, or use sites like LinkedIn to find work. 20. Teaching assistant. Many professors need help with grading assignments or doing research. A teaching assistant can be invaluable to help teachers balance their responsibilities. Ask around campus or talk to your favorite professor to see if they need help. With that, we've reached the end of this episode all about easy ways to make extra income while in college. Which of the ways we included do you think is the best way to earn some extra cash while in college? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, remember to leave a thumbs up for us. Also, if you want to see more awesome content all about college life, subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. As always, thanks for watching. See you again soon in the next one.